In this video, I'll be talking about how to use LibreTexts.org to search for open textbooks. This is the LibreTexts.org homepage. LibreTexts is a nonprofit online educational resource project supported by the United States Department of Education. Right now, there are almost 400 textbooks, text maps, and LibreTexts on this site, and I'll explain the difference between those in a little bit. LibreText was intended to be used as a sort of collection of content organized by subject in each of the 14 LibreText libraries currently available. On this site, you'll find full textbooks, some ancillary subject materials, accessibility tools, and tools that allow you to easily create custom books and course shells using material from the libraries. Unlike most other popular OER repository sites, OER on LibreTexts is all formatted the same, which makes it really easy to work with when customizing material to make your own textbook or course on this site. The material is also constantly being updated by the LibreText team. There are two ways to search for textbooks in LibreText. From the home page, you can navigate to one of the 14 LibreText libraries here at the top under Explore the Libraries. Let's say I'm looking for an abnormal psychology textbook for my course. I'd look in the social sciences library and then click on bookshelves to see the different shelves or subjects within social sciences. Abnormal psychology falls under psychology, and here are all of the psychology books and text maps represented by rectangles. Text maps are just textbooks made of OER that follow the same structure and order of a popular commercial textbook on the market right now. And there are two abnormal psych books at the bottom. The second way to search for open textbooks is through LibreCommons. LibreCommons is a centralized collection of the LibreText books, so you can search across all libraries and subjects at the same time. This is what I'd recommend doing if you're new to the site. And even if you're not, it's a little bit easier than finding things manually within their libraries. This is a relatively new feature of LibreText, and at this time, there isn't a way to access it directly from the homepage. You can Google LibreCommons like it's spelled here, or access it from within one of the libraries, which I'll show you how to do starting from the homepage. From here, click on any library, and when you're inside that library, there's a vertical narrow blue ribbon on the left side of your screen with a menu. Click Tools, and from there, it's the fourth option in the Tools menu. Here, you can enter your search terms and search the entire catalog at once. If I wanted to, I could filter those searches under Advanced Search here, which is what I'll do in a bit. My search here yields the same two books I saw in the psychology library earlier. To look through a book, just click on it. This is what the book overview looks like when you search using LibreCommons. On this page, there will be a summary, a linked table of contents with units, and options for viewing the book. If you click on any of these links, it takes you back to the LibreText library view of the book, which has some built-in resources for learning and accessibility. This is what the inside of a LibreText looks like. Let's go back to the first page. These rectangles here are all individual chapters, and when you click on one of them, it takes you to the units within that chapter, which are broken up this way to allow for easy mixing and matching if you decide to create a custom book for your course. You can navigate the book using these arrows, and at the top of the page, you can see the copyright license, the author, and the date of last update. Within the book, key terms are bolded, some things are linked, and there are images. Every once in a while, there's a built-in assessment or simulation to reinforce the learning. When you download a PDF, this is what it looks like. It's pretty similar. Now I'd like to go back to the LibreText libraries to something I skipped over. At the home page of any of the libraries, there are three options: Campus Bookshelves, Bookshelves, where we went to find our abnormal psych book, and Learning Objects. The campus bookshelves hold campus-specific and faculty-specific course shelves organized here by college that are also searchable on LibreCommons. When you click here, you can see a few colleges with one or more courses connected to the social science library. Collin College, for example, has 3 faculty-made course shelves or textbooks for social science-related subjects. If you as an instructor want to craft your course or course materials in LibreText, you can do that by requesting an instructor account at commons.libretext.org/account request. There are helpful webinars on the LibreText YouTube channel linked below that explain how to use the platform to craft your course. The campus bookshelves are also searchable on LibreCommons. Here under Advanced Search, you can click Campus Bookshelves instead of Central, and that will search faculty-made books, so you can see what's out there in your subject, if anything. Someone from Achieving the Dream College made a custom book for their abnormal psych course. In their table of contents, you can see where they added their course material, syllabus, rubrics, and the units. The last time this material was updated was 2019. This is an option when using LibreTexts for your course, and these books easily plug into Blackboard. Back in the Libraries menu, there is also Learning Objects. This is where you might be able to find extra teaching materials like worksheets or PowerPoint slides if they're available for one of the LibreText books. Additionally, LibreText has helpful features available to students while reading the book. There's a readability tool called Beeline Reader that uses color gradients to help you read more quickly and efficiently. Click Readability on the ribbon to the left to turn it on, or there's a readability box at the top. You can also adjust text and margin size here. There are also reference materials for each library found under Resources on that ribbon, which include conversion charts and calculators, all in one place. Off to the right at the top, you'll see a little arrow that expands when you click on it to show the built-in hypothesis annotation tool. This is where your students will collect their highlights and notes just like this. You can toggle it on or off. There are other plugins on LibreTexts and many more features to explore if you're interested in this site. In summary, the LibreText approach to open textbooks and open educational resources is different from anything else I've seen so far in the OER world. So while it may seem daunting at first, sticking with this tutorial and exploring the website on your own could be enough to introduce you to your new favorite learning and textbook platform. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like help searching for OER for your course, you can reach out to the library or fill out an OER request form at utrgv.libguides.com/OER.